Chapter 8 Birds. Hi everyone. Today we'll learn about different birds. Let's see what we have. 1. Crow. A crow is black and known for its cawing sound. 2. Ostrich. An ostrich is the largest bird and can't fly. 3. Pigeon. A pigeon is common in cities and can carry messages. 4. Sparrow. A sparrow is small and chirps a lot. 5. Duck. A duck swims in water and quacks. 6. Peacock. A peacock has beautiful feathers and can dance. 7. Eagle. An eagle is strong and has sharp eyesight. Great job! Birds are fascinating and come in many shapes and sizes. See you next time.